So this is the first one. You're gonna have to take it out, right? Because there's one more screw over here. If you don't take this out, I mean, you won't be able to get this out.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say this. You can see when they get a little brown, maybe just the plastic, but you check this because also they get dust. You know, there is another one here too. Just real. Yep.
Okay. All right.
Okay. And then so take them apart. Then you're gonna have to go these 6 screws. I mean, you can't miss it because it's not gonna come apart if you let one.
6 screws.
Yeah.
Is this a Phillips head or Star?
Yeah, Phillips.
Okay.
And this is the little the Phillips screw that come with the sniffer. When you bought it new, they got some replace filters, the little kind of tin, and these ones. So that's kind of the ones you need to check too. So they get dust, you know.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One's missing.
Okay, got 6.
Yep.
Okay, then you
open
open up. Like I say,
Okay.
just
So just snaps open once the screws in.
Just be careful.
Okay.
So this is kind of the little hose connect to the filters. That's the one that goes to the system.
Wait, where the holes?
The little hose. Right?
Oh, the hole. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I see.
Okay, and also there is 2 more really small screws to get this out because the filters, I mean, it's kind of underneath these, right? So you have to take this or flip this out.
Okay.
There is a couple of screws here, really small. They're holding this thing. There's one on this side and one on the other side. I'm not pointing here. Okay.
Okay, I see.
So that's.
And they're all the same screw? No, they're different sizes.
They're different sizes, and
Right.
but the same screwdriver works for.
Okay, so don't.
Then you go this. You can do that. You can go this way, so that way. Okay.
Alright.
So that's the sensors, and you can read it here, like LEL. So that's explosive. CO. That's a carbon monoxide. Yeah. This is O2, oxygen, and this is H2S.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah. So let's say it's nothing. I mean, no way you can go wrong. I mean, if you put this wrong, it's probably not gonna work, right? This one and this one, it looks like, but the same thing, but the different colors. Okay.
Gotcha.
If you need to replace this, all you have to do is just kind of slice this back.
Oh,
like that.
okay.
Okay.
So it's like a chip that slides.
Yeah,
into place.
basically it is like little chip. The same thing on this one, and this one too. The same thing. You just
Slide it out.
slide back.
So there's no lock or something, right?
No.
You have to like press a button.
No. Okay. So
What about the
this
second
one?
one?
It might be a little. Sometimes that gets stuck a little bit, but then you kind of have to pull it or kind of use
Like pry it
something
out? Okay.
to pull it or push him from the back.
Okay.
Okay. Like I say, you have to be really careful. Don't mess any of these.
Yeah.
You can just do a turn. See?
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay. That's
Oh, all right.
okay. And also, you cannot go wrong. They got the little 2 little things in this one.
Can you put that in there?
Yeah,
Oh, I
you
see.
have to kind of.
It's like a plug.
Yeah, sometimes you have to kind of play a little bit with to make sure you catch the little holes. There you
Okay. All right.
go. Okay?
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it?
Yep. Then
And then
going
just put it back together?
Yeah, this is the little thing that covers the sensors, kind of like caution. You know,
Okay.
little
How often do you have to change those?
Well, whenever they get damaged, right? When
okay.
you do the calibration,
Yeah.
they'll tell you which one they're damaged.
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
not necessarily.
So there's an error code for this as well.
Huh?
There's an error code for this piece too, or no?
No.
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 Okay.
Okay, and this is kind of like the screen, right? The screen. So
Oh,
you
yes,
have to be
right,
careful.
right.
Yeah, that's kind of the part of the screen that shows you everything.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so let's say so going back, you can just either put it like this. I'm still gonna have to flip it,
Flip
but
it,
that one
'cause
is
it
gonna
screws in the
keep it.
back.
Yeah, let's say, you know, it's really
Right.
small parts and sensors. You don't want to really like bit this or drop.
Okay.
So then you put this little, the same screws
Yep.
back.
Okay, so the tiny screws.
Yeah. This is.
Back in. Okay.
Do the other one. Also, don't over tight, right? Just
Right.
enough when you're feeling, because this is, let's say, you can probably break this
I
little
don't know. Yeah,
plate. That's the one that got all the,
that's fair.
just enough, you know, but when you're feeling it, just,
Okay.
okay, then you put this back,
There. Okay.
right? Make sure it sits good and flat.
Okay, flush.
Then go
And then you
back
put the
with,
big six big screws.
I normally do one on each corner, so that way they'll
And hold
sit,
together?
yeah, they'll sit, seals good, right?
Okay.
Because you don't want probably type one more than the other one, it kind of.
Yeah,
So.
that makes sense. Alright. 2 more to go.
Yeah, and after I put all, double check, make sure it all be tight.
Yeah.
And I'll check, make sure everything seals, kind of,
Okay.
right?
Right, because it has to be
yeah.
waterproof, right?
Not really like a
No.
waterproof, but I mean, you have to be make sure it's sealed, right?
Okay.
The same thing, right? You don't want over
Super
tight this
tight,
because
but-
maybe it's gonna strip the little screw.
Yeah.
You see, it was open up. See,
Oh, yeah.
see, that's
Mhm.
that's kind of my point, right? It has to be make sure you kind of check everything seals good.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and then it's gonna be the putting back, kind of the final step. You put this little thing
Okay. Put that in there.
on it, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
in there. Kind of make sure it sits.
You have to like push it in, or it just sits in there.
Okay.
Okay.
And then this one's got a little lift on it, so you can just do for this,
Mm-hmm.
do like this, and go back.
Okay.
Same thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All good.
Okay.